Here is the Ninja Air Fryer that I just got my hands on. It's about 4 months old. I've been using it for quite some time because it is now my literal go-to for dinners, for lunches, for reheating, everything. I like barely use my microwave anymore. Everything like frozen foods I put in here because it gives it that little crispiness that the microwave just does not do. When it comes to vegetables, instead of roasting, this process, you could put it in the air fryer and it takes so much less time, and you don't have that greasiness and oiliness of like a roasted green bean or any type of vegetable. So I love that. Also, proteins come out delicious in here. So like chicken breasts usually like seem super bland. Put a little bit of like Pam or some kind of like oil on top of it, put it in, and usually my go-to is like 15 minutes, and then things are done. You keep a little eye on it. Really, when you start it, you push the power button, and then you say that you want to do the air fry, and then you choose the temperature. I usually start with like 350. Because I like it to be done, take it a little longer, but you can go up depending on the recipe that you have as well. And then you select the amount of time that you want here. If you're in the middle of cooking and you want to check it out, you just push pause and open it up and see. If you do need more time, you're able to add time in the moment. Another thing that I love about the air fryer is the way that you clean it. And I'm gonna actually show you now how you clean it, which is, it's time for that. But usually I put foil on the top of my, basket. And then it'll just make sure that it doesn't get super dirty, but every now and then it does. And all you need to do is really pop this out, take that and wash it. And then basically with a towel, moist towel and some spray, you clean out the bin. So if you don't know about air fryer life, get yourself one, get yourself this one.